Sullivan on Comp is the resource California workers' compensation adjusters use to get answers fast. The information is well organized by topics. Click through the table of contents to a chapter page, and then directly to a topic. The text is easy to follow, and all assertions are supported by footnoted references. After viewing a note, click the up arrow to return to the text. References to legal code and regs all link directly to those sources. Get answers quickly using search. The interface makes it easy. Locate a case using the citation or party names. For broad topics, narrow your focus using the index. From a listing, click through to the relevant section directly. Use Sullivan on Comp calculators to determine benefits owed and related computations. Each has an explanation of underlying assumptions and links to relevant explanations right in Sullivan on Comp. Save calculations. Make updates when necessary. Sullivan on Comp also includes over 85 hours of webinars, all qualified for California Workers' Compensation Adjuster Indemnity, Medical Only, and Bill Review Continuing Education Credit. Subscribers also receive a monthly case law update email and notifications about other important changes. And it's all archived on the website. Use Sullivan on Comp on the go. All features are fully accessible via mobile and tablet devices. If you have questions, email support@sullivanoncomp.com or call 866-458-8762.